AI did not kill design. It made designers like me earn over 2000 United States dollars every single month. That's more than 1,80,000 Indian rupees monthly. And 5 years ago, I was earning just 29,000 Indian rupees a month. So if you are someone scared to enter design because of AI, watch this video till the end. Because by the end of this video, you will understand why this is actually the best time in history to become a designer and why people who adapt are earning more than ever before. Now listen carefully. People think artificial intelligence will replace designers. No, artificial intelligence will replace designers who refuse to evolve. The designers who learn how to use artificial intelligence correctly, they are becoming unstoppable. And trust me, I am not saying this as some motivational creator trying to sell dreams. I actually lived this transition. 5 years back, while many people were busy learning how to make designs, I was focused on learning why designs work. Years understanding typography, color theory, visual hierarchy, layout systems, spacing, grids, composition, branding, contrast, user experience principles, balance and harmony, because tools change, but fundamentals stay forever, and that single mindset changed my life completely. Today many people think Canva is just a drag and drop tool, but let me tell you something interesting. Canva became one of the biggest creative platforms in the world because the global market needed speed. Brands today do not want creatives delivered in 7 days anymore. They want social media posts, advertisements, presentations, pitch decks, video graphics, websites, brand kits, thumbnails, reels content, and they want all of it fast. This is exactly why Canva rules the industry now. Even after getting bullied for years by traditional designers, Canva created its own massive space globally. And honestly, the smartest designers today are not fighting Canva. They are mastering it. But there is one important thing people misunderstand. Canva alone will not make you a designer. Anyone can use templates, anyone can drag and drop. But not everyone understands alignment, typography pairing, spacing consistency, visual flow, readability, storytelling through visuals, brand consistency, creative direction. That is where the real money is. That is where clients notice quality. And now, when you combine Canva, artificial intelligence, Adobe tools, motion graphics, human creativity, and strong design fundamentals, you become extremely valuable. That's exactly what worked for me. I stopped seeing artificial intelligence as competition. I started using it like an assistant. Now, artificial intelligence helps me speed up workflows, generate concepts, create mockups, write copy, brainstorm ideas, automate repetitive tasks. But the final creative direction, that still comes from a human mind. And that is why skilled designers are still winning, actually earning even more than before. So, if you are a beginner watching this video right now, please do not quit design because of fear. This is probably the greatest opportunity our generation has ever seen. Because today, one skilled designer can do the work of an. I spent years understanding typography, color theory, visual hierarchy, layout systems, spacing, grids, composition, branding, contrast, user experience, design fundamentals, Canva, artificial intelligence tools, branding, and content creation. You can literally build a career from your bedroom. Freelancing, content creation, YouTube, agencies, social media management, digital products, templates, personal branding. The opportunities right now are endless. And that is exactly why I started this YouTube channel to teach real world Canva and artificial intelligence skills that can actually help people earn money online. Yes, long tutorials can sometimes feel boring, but trust me, if spending 1 hour learning a skill can help you start earning online, that is probably the best investment you will ever make in yourself. So, subscribe to this channel, spend time learning properly, and maybe this one decision changes your entire life. Let's grow together.